Now let me explain how to install our battery, ESC, and receiver. First, we need to remove the top cover. Then remove the two side panels next to it. Also need to be removed like this. Then there is a fixed point here. Pull it forward to remove it. Then pull out the dark blue key and the gray key. Bend it outward like this. Then the key is removed. The same on this side. This is what it looks like after disassembly. Then remove the 5-unit beam inside. Also take it off. This side also has a 5-unit beam. Then we can find a cross shaft. A cross shaft left over from our carpool. And insert it into this hole. Then pull out these two pins. The same on this side. Pull out these two pins. And put the extra parts aside. You can see, there is a protruding blue latch here. And there is also a protruding bolt on the opposite side. Pull it out too. Now let's install our electronic devices. We have already disassembled the car like this before. Then take out our top cover. Pull out these two red plugs. And replace them with the blue ones we just removed. Now let's start putting the electronic devices inside. This is our battery. The battery should be placed like this. Then take out our battery extension cable and plug it in. Then pass it through from below. Pay attention to this wire. Tidy it up and put it on top of the motor. Like this, and then take out our pad. And plug it in. Also, organize the wires here. And all of them are stuffed under here. Then the signal line of the electric strip. Also pass through from the bottom. And pass it here. Connect the 3 wires of the motor. Plug the strip in randomly. Then fix the position. Put all the wires forward. To the front, because the roof will be installed later. There are fixed points here. It's almost done like this, so it won't be affected. Then, our servo. The multi-pole line needs to be wound around from here. And insert it from the top. There's a hole below. It's hollow inside. Just insert it from here. Then bury the upper wire under the lower one. Just write it down here. Just pull it over. Then take out our receiver. The negative pole is connected to the black wire on the right. and multi-pole plug in channel 1. Then the receiver can be placed here. The antenna can pass through the hole above and pass it through. Now let's install these two side panels. The side panel on the right. Then take out this piece and remove it. Plug it in like this. Then align it with the hole and press it up. On the other side, take out this key. Then pull this key out. Plug it in like this. Then install it like this. Next, we install the roof. These two pins correspond to the holes that are exposed now. And this hole. Just click it on like this and it's done. Now let's turn on the power and test it. First, we remove the cover on this side. Turn on the switch. Wait for the remote control to pair with it. Let's check the throttle direction. There's no problem. The car is running forward. If the wheel direction is reversed, then you can swap the positions of any two of these 3 wires, and swap the positions of any two of them. And it's done! Welcome to explore more Super ZENE.